Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Glide to build a habit tracker in minutes. Quick tutorial step by step clearly.
Open the Glide app and sign in to your account. Click on the New App button to start a new project. Select the From Google Sheets option to create an app linked to a spreadsheet. Choose a new or existing Google Sheet for your habit tracker. Once your Google Sheet is connected, Glide will automatically pull in the data. In the Google Sheet, create columns for habit, frequency, start date, and status. Populate the sheet with some sample habits for testing. Return to the Glide editor to customize your app's user interface. On the left sidebar, select the screen where you want to display your habits. Change the layout type to list for a clear view of your habits. Click on Properties to customize how each habit appears in the list. Set the title to display the habit column for easy recognition. For additional details, add the frequency and start date as secondary text. To track completion, configure a checkbox for the status column. Drag and drop components to arrange them according to your preference.
Now, add a button to allow users to add new habits.
Select that Add Button option and link it to a new entry form. Customize the fields in the form to include habit, frequency, and start date. Preview your app using the play button to test its functionality. Check that you can add, view, and update habits smoothly. Finally, click Publish to make your habit tracker available for use. Congratulations on configuring Glide to build your habit tracker in minutes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.